Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the COUPPCD function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return a number that represents the previous coupon date before the settlement date. So for the purpose of this function, I have created this little table that contains the four arguments of the function. So the first argument will be the settlement date. So the definition will be the security settlement date will be the date after the issue date when the security is traded to the buyer. Then we need the maturity date, which will be the date of when the security will expire. Then we have the frequency of the bond payment, which can be either annual, semi-annual, or quarterly. And finally, we have the basis, which goes from 1 to 4, from 0 to 4, sorry, and that is optional. So in order to write this function, how exactly is it going to work? So pretty simple, we start with an equal sign. So equal, and then we can write down COUPPCD. And then we can open up our parentheses. So as I said, the first element will be the settlement date, which is right here. Then the second element will be the maturity date. So this one right there. Please take note that the maturity date can't be before the settlement date because it won't make sense. The fourth element will be the frequency. So as I said, it's either annual, semi-annual, or quarterly. In our case, let's select quarterly. But once again, it can be either annual or semi-annual. If you enter any other number besides of 1, 2, or 4, it's gonna be an error sign that will be returned. The last element will be the basis. So let's select 0. Well, let's select 0 for this example, and then we can just run our function just like that. So you can see right here there is a number that has been generated, but we want to put it in a date format. So if you have a number that is generated, you can just go here and put it in a date format. So we understand in this case that the previous coupon date before the settlement date for a bond with those arguments will be the 10th November 2020. So this is how we use the COUPPCD function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.